See, you see shit like this in New York City, I just feel like we came together as humanity to have fun. Like, it's snow, like, we can't do nothing else. Like, this is humanity, bro. Like, this is what we've been waiting for. Like, Mandani, thank you. Like, come on. We may not be up for the Olympics, but we at least fucking trying. And if you've been out here in the snow, playing in the snow, we've done had multiple fun. Even though it's been nasty and it's been crazy sometimes, but this, I think we even had Sean White, the snowboarder, out here in Central Park snowboarding with everybody and playing in the snow, everybody. Nigga, we've been throwing snow at the NYPD, like, come on. We just been out here on some regular shit, doing New Yorker shit, having fun, living life. Look at that. I need to buy me a snowboard. I ain't even gonna hold you. Look at that. The snowboarding look mad fun. I ain't gonna hold you. I just don't want to bust my ass, but damn. That was calm.